Welcome to St. Croix County Parks' new gate system. To improve convenience for staff and allow for extended park access hours, we've added automated entry gates at many of our parks, with more locations coming soon. Purchasing an annual pass is quick and easy. First, select A, Buy Annual Pass from the menu screen. Next, either tap, insert, or swipe your credit or debit card. Your annual park pass will dispense in the tray below the screen. Retrieve your pass, and the gate will open automatically after purchase. If you're purchasing a daily pass, simply select B, Buy Daily Pass from the menu. Again, either tap, insert, or swipe your credit or debit card. Take your receipt from the tray below. Once your receipt is dispensed, the gate will automatically open. If you depart the park and return on that same day, simply press D, Scan Daily Pass to re-enter. With the QR code face up, scan the code using the camera on the bottom side of the black credit card reader. You should hear the beep once it's been scanned and verified, and the gate should open. Remember, daily passes are only valid for the date of purchase and only during the park hours of 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. To use your annual pass on a return visit, select C, Scan Annual Pass or Scan Pass. Swipe your annual pass with the mag stripe facing you. You'll hear a beep and the screen will read authorizing. Wait 8 to 10 seconds and the gate will open automatically. When leaving the park, simply drive up to the exit gate and the arm will open automatically. Scanning the pass is not required to exit the park. Thank you for using our new Parks gate system and for supporting St. Croix County Parks.